As you can see, my left tail light is not coming on, so I'll be replacing the tail light bulb today. To get access to the tail light, all you need is a 10mm ratchet. And there's 2 bolts you need to take off. One at the bottom here. And this one at the top. If you're having trouble pulling the taillight assembly off the body of the car like I am, just grab a screwdriver or something skinny enough to stick in between the body of the car and the tail lamp assembly and pry it loose, and it'll pop off. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bulbs. So the tail light is this bulb right here. So you're just going to twist this. Like that. It's like a quarter turn. Twist it. And it's just going to pop out. Now you're just going to pull the bulb out. And this is what the bulb looks like. This tiny little thing. So I bought a new pack. The number is 2825 and this is the brand I've got. I just got these from AutoZone, guys. You just push it down and you'll hear like a little snap. Just push it back in and give it a quarter turn. Make sure it's in there securely, and that's it. Now I'll put the taillight assembly back on the car. Make sure everything is lined up correctly and it's pushed in as far as it can go. And now the 2 bolts go back in. Now I'll go turn the headlights on to make sure the bulb works. And that's it.